Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading your high-resolution source and the low-resolution target into Zbrush. Align them precisely using Gizmo or Transpose so projection maps straight across surfaces. This avoids stretching. Make sure both have proper UVs because projection depends on the target's UV layout. Once done, subdivide the target to a level that can capture detail. Don't overdo it. Aim for enough polygons to hold the source detail. Now move to positioning for projection. With both subtools aligned, select the target and open Subtool Project. Set distance and projection strength. Small distances reduce artifact risk, so start low and increase only if needed. Enable options like double-sided or projection for both sides when working on thin geometry. Store a morph target or duplicate the subtool so you can revert if projection oversteps. Project in short iterations and inspect. Repeating small passes yields cleaner detail transfer than one heavy pass. Once projection completes, clean artifacts using smooth and polish brushes. Work along seams and areas where rays missed. For game or render, bake normal and ambient occlusion maps with multi-map exporter. Choose map sizes and formats that match your pipeline. If you see projection errors, revert to your stored morph or duplicate and reproject with a slightly higher subdivision or a larger ray distance setting. That troubleshooting step resolves most issues without losing original detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.